Hi, my name's Matt. I've got a 300 pulse laser cleaner from BOGONG. I've had this unit for about 3 weeks and it has served me very well. It's cleaned everything I've asked it to clean. There's a little bit of a learning curve to get your settings right, but I believe that's going to be for every machine. This unit has cleaned rust, aluminum, paint. Today I've done a valve cover for a 5.3 Chevy. It's all sludged up from 150,000 miles of use. Cleaned it on this side. This is the original sludgy side. And the top side has been cleaned. This unit has been very great and stable. It has met and exceeded all my expectations so far. One quick pro tip. Remove the lens cap before using. Thank you.